This simple exercise will help you to spot a profitable trading robot. If you just bought a new trading robot, or if somebody has been hyping a trading robot, before you risk any of your money, even $1, you have to ensure that you run this simple exercise first, and it will save you from huge losses. So today I'm going to show you how you can spot a profitable trading robot for yourself. If that robot is already installed in your MetaTrader, you just go to view and locate strategy tester. When you locate strategy tester, this expert advisor strategy tester window will open. So you can just open like this. Under experts here, check this drop down, you will see all the trading robots that are installed in your system. So pick that particular trading robot that you want to test. And in this particular exercise, we want to test this Martingale strategy. So that is the robot. If you come here, you will set the time frame. Let's say we want to test it on 15 minutes time frame. So collect the time frame that you want to backtest. Another thing you can also do, set the date that you want to backtest. Let's assume that you want to backtest from 2020. So you select January 2020 to the current date. You can select the current date and just enable that. So you have selected, we're going to backtest this robot from 2020 to 2025. So that is very important. You have selected a time frame. Now click on expert properties. Under testing, you can type the amount of money you want to use for that backtest. Let's assume you want to use $10,000. The currency pair is there. You are going to take long and short positions. Under this symbol, select the currency pair. And when you are done, you can click on start. Give it some time. It will create a virtual window for you and run the backtest. So just give it some time. It will collect data for 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Now it has collected all the data that it needs to run the backtesting. And then the backtest has started. For you to increase the speed of the backtest, look at this slider. Move the slider to the highest. If you look at your screen right now, you will see that trades are beginning to run. What you should do when this is going on, come under this area, you see result. You will see the trades. It has taken the first trade, it lost $5. Taking the second one, it lost $10. Then it is going on. If you click on this graph, you will see how the equity is moving. It dropped, your equity dropped, then it started making money. Just run the backtest for at least 1 full year, and you will see if that robot is making money. So far, this particular bot is making money. You see, it has moved from $10,000, it got to around $10,050. It is still going. If you check the result, you will see more trades are going on, okay, and everything is going on fine. Look at the graph. The equity is beginning to drop. The robot is losing money, but just give it some time. Watch it, how it's going to do. It has dropped to around $9,000 and something dollars, okay. It is still going. The backtest is still going. See what happened. The robot took one trade and then came back into profit, and we are now into profit from $10,000. We are approaching $11,000. This exercise actually is going to help you very well. If you look at the results, you will see this robot made $2,500 and something. There is something I have spotted on this robot which I want to explain to you. This particular trading robot makes use of Martingale principle. The Martingale principle is one of the most profitable strategy, but it is one of the most dangerous. What happens is that the robot will start trading with the smallest lot size, let's say 0.01, and it will risk like, let's say, 1% of your account. If it loses a trade, it will increase the risk to 2%. If it loses that one, it will increase it to 4%. So long as the robot keep losing money, it will keep increasing the risk until one trade will cover up for all the money that it has lost. So it is a very profitable strategy, but very dangerous. Let's go back to our chart. You can see here that the robot is still making money. If you check under the results, you will see it started another cycle here. It lost around $5. It increased it, then it made that money. And after making money, it goes back to the default setting. And the equity curve is almost very stable because around this period, the robot is in a winning streak. It's not making too many losses this period. So anytime it is not making losses, the equity curve will remain slightly stable. Okay, then when it starts making losses, that is when it starts increasing the risk. And you will see the equity curve will drop significantly and snap back and recover all the losses. You see here that it has started another period of losing streak. It has lost $5.7 here, 10 point something. Now it has increased it again to $21. Let's watch. If you look at the equity curve, it will begin to drop a little. So go back to the graph. It's flat there. Look at the last result. This time maybe the market is just ranging, so it's taking it long. So the robot has recovered the loss. We started with around $10,000. We have moved to 11,000 something. This robot is still making money. This exercise I've shown you is one of the simplest exercises you should do before you risk your money on any trading robot. but make sure you back test it like this. If the result of the back test is good, it is something that you can actually use. What I notice about this particular strategy, the Martingale principle, is that if you have a large amount of money and you are trading with this strategy, you are going to make money long term. But if you have a small capital, it is going to be a very risky one. If you want to trade with this kind of robot, any robot that makes use of Martingale principle, you can use a cent account. If you carry like $100 and convert it to cents, it's going to give you a huge amount of money, and that thing can give the robot enough room to play out with. If you're in Nigeria, you can use a Naira account to run this, and the Martingale robot is going to make money for you long term. So far, so good. This particular robot didn't lose money. It is just struggling and struggling. Although it is profitable, the profit is not much. There are periods of losing streak, and there are periods when the robot recovers. So let us just stop this and analyze it. If you go to report profitable trades, we had 37%. Then losing trades, 62.5%. Initial deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was $2,000. The profit factor is 2. So far, this robot is profitable, but it's still a Martingale robot, and you need to be careful with it, okay? I have shown you how you can backtest your trading robot. Before you start using any robot to trade, make sure you run this simple exercise, and it will guide you. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. If you want to learn how to create your own trading robot, I have done a comprehensive video that can help you to create your own trading robot, even if you do not have any knowledge of programming. You can watch that video right here.